Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, and I'm bringing you another really cool vehicle. This is a 1996 JDM spec Subaru Impreza WRX, right-hand drive. Super rare vehicle in amazing shape, and pretty much checks all the boxes for a really cool, old-school JDM vehicle. So I'll just give you kind of a tour around. Love the WRX logo. Super JDM, definitely. And then I'll give you a view on the inside. We did two things to this vehicle. We installed a Compustar Q9 alarm with remote start, which is what this video is going to be about. And then we also installed the retro Blaupunkt Bremen receiver, which is going to get a secondary video, which I'll link to down below. But let me just go through the features of the Compustar. So this is basically the Compustar 2W-Q9R FM, two-way remote control. So we've got the ability to lock and arm, unlock, disarm, and then remote start. Now we've preset it up in reservation mode, which is the manual transmission safety mode. You'll see here, vehicle's gonna turn on. Fully safe, it's manual transmission. The reason why it's fully safe is that there is a safety sequence that you have to do before you exit the vehicle. You can see here on the two-way remote that it confirms the vehicle's remote started. It's also confirming that the doors are unlocked. If I lock them here, you'll see, essentially it locks it up and you'll hear the chirp. But what I was saying was that there's a safety sequence you have to do every time you leave the vehicle. It's called reservation mode. Essentially what it is, you put the vehicle in neutral, pull the e-brake, wait to hear the click from under the dash. That's your indication to take the key out and exit the vehicle. Sounds a lot more complicated than what it is. It's super easy when you have one of these vehicles. Now I'm just gonna show you, if I were to walk up, we have the window open, and I opened the door. It's gonna trigger, shut the engine down. There you go. There you go. Shut it off there. Now that didn't actually disarm it, that just silenced it, but you'll see that the two-way remote is giving us alerts. Going off again. You have to hit it twice. There we go. Bit of a delay there, but as you can see, now it's actually disarmed. So very cool, great way to protect the investment on such a beautiful car is adding a Compustar alarm with remote start. The remote start gives you the convenience of keeping this car cool or warm in the summer or winter. And as I said, the remote start functionality is fully safe because of the reservation mode sequence. This particular system is a two-way LCD. It also comes with a one-way remote. I was just thinking I had it on the key fob, but I don't. One-way is basically non-two-way. It doesn't tell you the status of the vehicle, but two-way does. And we will put a link to all of our Compustar systems below as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could, like our channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Or sorry, like our video, subscribe to our channel. It would do a lot to allow us to make more videos like this in the future. And keep your eyes open for the Blaupunkt radio video I'm going to do next. Thanks for watching.